back to our channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now the question is, which two tools would you use to manage database cloud service DBCS? Choose two options and the options are option A PSQL, option B Oracle Swing Bench, option C SQL Developer, and option D Oracle Enterprise Manager. The correct option is option C. Next question is, a customer wants to do development on premise while leveraging services such as Java Cloud, Mobile Developer Cloud, the App Builder services. The customer would also like to scale out the application stretching from on premises to the cloud by using a common API. Which two infrastructure options can the customer leverage to do this? Choose two options, and the options are option A Oracle Cloud at Customer, option B Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Classic, option C Oracle Cloud Revelo Service, and option D Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The correct option is option A. Next question is, which statement is true about a pre-authenticated request in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage? Options are option A, you can create only 1000 pre-authenticated requests per bucket. Option B, you can create a pre-authenticated request only for public buckets. Option C, you cannot retire a public authenticated request before it expires. And option D, you cannot extend the expiration date on a pre authenticated request. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which statement is true about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Object Storage Service? Options are option A, an archive object storage tier bucket can be upgraded to the standard object storage tier. Option B, you cannot directly download an object from an archive object storage bucket. Option C, an existing standard object storage tier bucket can be downgraded to the archive object storage tier. And option D, data retrieval in archive object storage is instantaneous. The correct option is option B. Next question is, for a compute instance that is launched in a private subnet in a virtual cloud network, which action needs to be performed to connect to the internet assuming that the required security list is properly set up? Options are option A, assign a public IP address to the compute instance. Option B, create and configure network address translation NAT in a public subnet and route all traffic to it. Option C, there is no way for an instance in a private subnet to connect to the internet. And option D, create a default route entry in the route table to forward all traffic to the internet gateway. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which two are valid options when migrating a database from on-premise to Oracle Cloud infrastructure? Choose two options, and the options are option A, snapping or cloning storage from an premise to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Option B, performing a backup to Oracle Cloud infrastructure object storage and then restoring to a database server on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Option C, performing RMAN backup to an on-premise storage device and then shipping to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Option D, converting the Oracle database to a NoSQL database and migrating to Oracle Cloud infrastructure by using RSYNC file copy. The correct option is option A. Next question is, you are responsible for setting up access for all the cloud users of a large enterprise. You log into the Phoenix region and start creating users and policies. You then realize that some users might be creating resources in the Ashburn region. Which step should you perform to enable those users? Options are option A, you can assign a reason to each of the users at the time of creation. Option B, IAM users are global and non-admin users can add resources to any region by default. Option C, you need to log into each region separately to create users for that particular reasons. And option D, IAM users are global. As an administrator, make sure that you subscribe to the Ashburn region. The correct option is option D. Thank you.